All right, traders, we're back. Check this out. Euro versus the New Zealand dollar. We have a remarkable story to tell you, to share with you about this one. You probably remember we've been here just 3 days ago. The price was just was pounding on that 75.41. It was just approaching, and the beginning of the day was actually kind of edging downwards. So we had a lot of optimism at that point after that spike. However, little did we know that price was about to change direction and shoot itself upwards so intensely, right, that it actually stopped us out. This move with that spike all the way to almost 77 stopped us out, and we had to collect ourselves before we realized that was probably an overshooting, an excess noise here with that huge, spike here. The fact of the matter, we've seen that bounce back off that, we have here actually 3 different resistance key levels, right? Such a powerful resistance area that I've been marking here. We have the 77.04, a little below that we have the 76.96, and even below that 76.61, all of which, by the way, every single one of those belongs to a different setup. So we decided, guys, to pull, to come right back in, right? As price began to descend and to bounce back down, you can see right here we pulled the trigger. So we got in very quickly. Now the deal was to wait and see whether this is a genuine downside reversal. We definitely suspected that that's going to be the case, but we needed more evidence, right? So we wanted to make sure that price could drill through 75.41 before pulling the trigger the second time. So that's what happened yesterday. To our obviously to our satisfaction. Now that we see price is coming off and beginning to break below 74.84, that's really good news. All right, we don't want to jump ahead of ourselves. We'll wait to the end of the day. But I gotta tell you, if price will remain below 74.84 here, that's a very good indication that price will continue to drive downwards. Now we were aiming at 2 different key levels, guys. 2 targets we have. For the first trade, the highest one, we're aiming at 73.73 here, right? You can see the price target. For the lower trade that we've entered at the beginning of this session today, we're aiming at 72.87. So for those of you who are quick, you can quickly see, you can probably realize that with one trade we're playing out one setup, the purple one. Right, with the second trade, we're playing out the blue setup with the mid-low key level at 72.87. So it should be interesting. I want to show you the stop loss level. This was the initial stop loss level, still pretty high. When I look at it right now, 77.70. We will have to adjust the stop loss level. We can definitely easily push it by at least 50 pips to 77.20. And yeah, even below, I would say probably 77. And we'll take it from there, right? Hopefully, we might be able to have this intense move today, which will cover the whole distance all the way to our last final destination here. We'll have to come back and see. That's about that for this one, guys. Euro versus the New Zealand dollar, short-term type of trading opportunity, and we're still bearish. That's about that for today. We'll see you next week.